Despite Microsoft's continuous efforts to improve its Windows Store, users still encounter errors occasionally. One recent error that the users have been reporting is the Minecraft error code 0x803f8001, which typically occurs when they attempt to launch the game from the Minecraft launcher. Now, if you are one of those experiencing the same error, this guide is for you. You can try the fixes that I have mentioned in this guide. Method 1. Make sure Windows is updated. In some instances, this error can be a result of an outdated operating system. If your Windows is not up to date, try updating your OS to the latest build and then see if the error is fixed or not. To update Windows, open the Settings app using the Windows I hotkey and go to the Windows Update section. From here, click on the Check for Updates button and then download and install all the pending updates. Method 2. Restart your PC. This error can be triggered due to some temporary glitch with your system. Hence, you can simply try restarting your PC, which is a general trick. It might help you get rid of the error in hand. However, if this doesn't help, go ahead with the next method. Method 3. Sign out and then sign in to Microsoft Store again. Firstly, open the Microsoft Store app and click on your profile icon present at the top right corner of the interface. Now, from the appeared options, press the Sign Out option. After that, reboot your PC and start the Microsoft Store app. Next, select the Sign In option and enter your login credentials. Check if the error is now resolved or not. Method 4. Check the date and time settings. You might deal with this error if the time and date on your PC are set incorrectly. Hence, to fix the error, check the date. To adjust date and time settings, you can follow the below steps. Firstly, press Win I to launch the Settings app and go to the Time and Language tab. Now, click on the Date and Time option and enable the toggles associated with the options called Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. After that, check whether or not the error is resolved. Method 5. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. The error might be caused due to corrupted or incomplete installation of Minecraft Launcher. Hence, if the scenario is applicable, uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft should help you fix the error. Firstly, hit Win I on your keyboard to open Settings and navigate to the Apps tab. Now, click on the Apps and Features option. Next, locate the Minecraft Launcher app and then select it. After that, click on the Uninstall option and confirm the uninstallation of the app. When the uninstallation is complete, go to Microsoft Store and reinstall Minecraft Launcher back on your PC. See if the error is now fixed or not. Method 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Firstly, press Windows R to evoke the run box. Now, write wsreset.x in the open field and press the Enter button. Next, wait for the process to complete and when done, try relaunching Minecraft and see if the error is fixed or not. Method 7. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Gaming Services. Firstly, open Windows PowerShell with administrator privilege from the taskbar search option. Now, write the below command and then press Enter. As you enter the above command, Windows will uninstall gaming services from your PC. Next, to reinstall the gaming services, first, enter the below command. The above command will open up gaming services in the Store app. Simply press the Install Get button to install it. After successfully reinstalling gaming services, check if the error is fixed.